So these are the dinners I prepared and or had for the second week of May. On Monday the 7th, I had this recipe from foodnetwork.com that I saw on TV and I wanted to make it. It's a Thai red curry chicken casserole, and it's really good, and you can make your own substitutions. I did it. The recipe called for broccoli, but I used cauliflower instead, and then I used a bag of frozen peppers and onions instead of buying them and cutting them myself. And then you top it with extra lime juice, and lime juice goes in the casserole, but it is extra delicious with it on top. And then I topped it with peanuts for some crunch and texture. It was really good, and I recommend trying it. Now on Tuesday the 8th, I made beef and sausage meatloaf with sweet potato gnocchi and green beans, and I baked out crescent rolls. Then on Wednesday the 9th, I made this Asian chicken noodle bowl. I boiled spaghetti noodles, and then I mixed it together with Kraft Asian sesame salad dressing. It's really delicious. And then I cooked up chicken thighs and cut them and mixed them in there with, I used snap peas and bean sprouts. And then mandarin oranges were on the side, and I topped it with those crunchy chow mein noodles you can buy at the store. And then on Thursday the 10th, I made pulled pork, and then I made some rice. It's actually a Knorr Spanish rice, easy, quick mix. And then I had extra flour tortillas from Costco, and I cut them up and crisped them in the oven to make chips. And then for the weekend, I usually have pizza on Friday, but we moved it to Sunday for Mother's Day. My mom's favorite food is pizza, so we figured we'd switch it up and get pizza on Sunday. So Friday and Saturday we had leftovers, but also on Saturday I made corn dog muffins. So that's the meal plan, and I'm going to show you the pictures next.